Mr. President, point of order.
What's the point of order?
I charge this private prosecutor with complaint of this impeachment court. I have the evidence right here, taken in a video by Senator Alan Cayetano. And to say, nasasaktan ng tenga ko, should have been cause for you to walk out of this courtroom with permission of the court. But you cannot make those contemptuous gestures in front of a judge and get away with it. I submit, Mr. President, that this should be taken up.
To be fair, I'll give the counsel a chance to explain himself.
Your Honor, kasi po sinasabi ng kagalang-galang na hukom na ngayon lang daw po nangyari na ang isang complaint ay wini-withdraw or ng prosecution or ng sino man. Pero yan po ay natural po yan sa court practice. Nangyayari po yan araw-araw naman nagwi-withdraw ang isang abogado ng kanyang complaint or ng part ng complaint nag-amend. But the fact, Your Honor, please, that this is the first time that I experience in my 40 years of practice na ang isang judge ay nagle-lecture sa mga abogado. Hindi po ata tama yung mga ganun eh.
Bakit hindi ho kayo tumayo nung nagsasalita si Senadora Miriam para mag-object?
Hindi po ako, wala po akong karapatang mag-object sapagkat kung kailangan pong i-recognize muna ako ng kagalang-galang na impeachment court nito upang masabi ko kung anong nasa sa loob ko. Pero nang nandito na po ako ngayon, di sasabihin ko po ang nasa sa loob ko.
All right.
Mr. President, I reiterate my motion to cite for contempt by the impeachment court, not by me, but by the impeachment court. Imagine if all the lawyers did that in front of the impeachment court, if one of the senator judges took the forum to express his opinions. Kasi talunggat sa gusto mo, kaya ayaw mo pakinggan. Kung ayaw mo pakinggan, umalis ka sa korte.
Aalis na nga po sana ako eh, kaya lang...
Granted! If that is in the form of a motion, go ahead! Nangahamon ka!
Aalis na po ako.
Dito ako nakaupo eh. Gaganyan ka sa akin.
May I suggest that...
And it's on video.
May I suggest that let us be calm in this proceeding and deal with one another in a fashion that will not create an impression before the people that we are not following the right norms. Please
Can I say something, Mr. President?
explain yourself.
Kung nakasakit mo po yung isang aktwasyon ko po, I really did it purposely. Because totoo naman po na talagang shrill ang voice na nasasaktan ng tenga ko eh. Ang kuwang ko lamang po ay dapat po lamang na kahit ang mga senadore, mga judges at kami mga hamak lamang prosecutor dito, ang pinaka-importante po sa isang tao ay respeto. Ang kung nagdedemand ka ng respeto, dapat respetuhin mo doon itong mga
Mr.
abogadong
President.
ito sapagkat yung human dignity wala pong
Now
katulad
he's
dyan.
lecturing me.
Trial suspended for several minutes. Ay.